give me a big thumbs up here, guys, if you're handbag lovers. Have I any handbag lovers out there watching this video? There has to be at least one or two of you that likes handbags. Because I got two to show you now. If this video is a quickie, yes, always a quickie, never a longie. No, I'm not being rude. Only messing, lads. Right, if you're into seeing a couple of new little babies, stay tuned. Now, the next little bit of the packaging is in a Shein bag, which I am going to make full use of going forward. As you can see, it's a little handbag. Okay, guys, I'll show you the handbag in a second. Now, my friends, we have unboxed her. She is a Tipperary crystal bag. Now, as people may know, if they've seen my handbag collection, I have her in pink as well, baby pink. So this is black. It's a Chanel-esque little bag. Love it to bits. Gorgeous. Yes, we'll get some amount of use. Plenty of space in it for my shit, and that's all you want. So that is my little Tipperary crystal bag that I purchased off Depop. So that's her. And she's a beaut, and she's very Chanel-esque. Here, my friends, is the second little bag I got. It was a couple of euro. It's a Guess vintage bag. It's made around in the 1990s. So it's a very old little bag. It looks kind of yellowy in this camera, but it's actually a brown. Matches my boots, my little brown ankle boots. Now, when you open this belt up, it's got a really heavy flap on it with the Guess. That's how you know it's vintage. It's made of ostrich leather, I think. It's one of them. And on the inside, it's got one pocket. There is a stain on the inside. There is a little Guess tag here. It doesn't come with a crossbody strap because back in the day, it's a teeny tiny little bag. It's really just something that you throw on when you're going to the pub. If you've got your brown knee-high boots and you're looking kind of ooh-la-la with a nice pair of blue jeans and a t-shirt and a blazer. This navy blazer is a lovely little bag. It costed me very, very little. Very, 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 very little. I did look her up. She was in early 90s, so you're looking at an ass load of years ago. It's a beauty. So I hope you've enjoyed my little show and tell of my two latest purchases. I'm delighted with both. So that is it for today, my friends. Well, lads, and weren't they two cute little handbags? You got to admit. Especially that black one. Oh my God. I love me some Tipperary crystal. You know, they have it in blue, pink, black and white. I would love the white. Oh dear God, I would love the white. But however, white's a bit of a bitch. It rubs off your jeans. You're going to get transfer. It would probably wreck my banana. I might be better off going with camel coloured bag, or I seen one on Very, 25 quid. Nah, I have enough handbags. I'm done. However, lads, if you enjoyed my little short but sweet, always a quickie, never a longie, little handbag reveal, please give me a thumbs up. I gives a thumbs up anyway. It helps me with that old YouTube shite. I swear to God, will they ever put any of my videos forward? I probably not. But you know what? That's life. Anyway, lads, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me the old thumbs up. Sign up to my old channel there. Click the old subscribe button and the bell notification next to it. So when I get a bright idea up here in this old menopausal mallet, you get to hear about it. So, try. It's free. Free, cost you SFA. Now, lads, that's it now for this week. I have a couple of more videos. I have a favourites video coming up next week. That will be posted on Tuesday. So, hang on to your hats for that one, because I've got a good few favourites. I've got lifestyle, clothes, you name it. I even have a TV show, guys, that I'm going to clue you in on. Right? Love yous all. Have a great week ahead. Look after yourselves. Right? Take it handy. And sure, I'll talk to you next week. Bye.